Thank you for your interest in my listing. If I could answer any questions about this property or any other real estate needs, please reach out. Spacious stone home situated nicely on just under an acre. Plenty of cherrywood cabinets in Kitn and beautiful matching floors, ceramic tile backsplash, trade ceilings west/recessed lighting over breakfast counter plus gas stove top on island. All appliances included. Large 27 by 13 sunken LivRm room west/ceiling, fan light, and attractive trade ceilings. Modern open floor plan. Oak staircase and English oak stain trim work throughout. 21 feet pool west/Trex deck, lower landing and 20 by 15 acid stain Cov'd patio, matching home beautifully west/sliding glass door from breakfast nook. Formal dining room. Plenty of Andersen windows calling in the natural light. ENOURMOUS game room plus huge utility room for extra storage. Massive master bedroom west/ceiling fan light, in all BRs, and huge 7 by 5 walk-in closet, and also an ensuite bathroom. Metal roof 2018, copper piping, newer AC and furnace 2021, HWT 2014, GRG door 2020, patio 2022. https://homebody170.aereo.com/site/200